how to add your credit card to Google Ads account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to add your credit card to your Google Ads account. It's a simple process, so make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, go to ads.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see your Google Ads dashboard. Next, navigate to the billing section by clicking on the menu bar on the left-hand side. In the billing section, click on payment methods to manage your existing methods or add a new one. Now, click on add payment method and choose your payment method. You can add a credit card, PayPal, or other available options. Once you've entered your payment details, click Save, and that's it. Your credit card is now linked to your Google Ads account. That's all for the video.